Good morning, students. In our first video of lesson 7, that is urban administration, we have discussed that children broken street light, and to solve their problem, they went to Yasmin Khala. Yasmin Khala was telling them that it was work of municipal corporation to look after all the works like street light, roads, parks, water supply, etc. Children were asking many questions, and Yasmin Khala was describing work of municipal corporation. She was answering the queries of the children. She told that if the city is big, then work is divided into different departments. So municipal committee or municipal corporation divides its work into different departments like department of garbage collection, department to look after gardens, look after roads. So different departments take care of different works. Jahangir is name of one children that wants to know about the garbage collection work of municipal corporation. Yasmin Khala described that if garbage remain uncollected, it attracts dogs, rats, and flies, and it people get ill from the smell. Children were stopped to play in that area by their mothers because uh, it is reason of so many diseases. She was telling the one she was telling one story, a community protest. Women in one locality were unhappy because garbage was lying here and there, and children were not able to play in uh, street. So they went to Gangabai. He was ward councillor. They protested in front of house of Gangabai. Then Gangabai promised that he will go with them to commissioner. He asked Gangabai to get a petition signed by all the adults of locality, and he suggested that local sanitation engineer should be with them in protest in front of commissioner. Even children went from one house to another house to get petitions signed by people, and when they took the petition, they went to commissioner's residence with ward councillor and engineer. Commissioner made excuses that they were not having means of transport, they were not having trucks to pick up the garbage. But when he was making excuses, Gangabai smartly replied that they are having enough trucks to collect garbage from the rich localities. Then commissioner uh, told that very soon they will took action, and they will clean the streets. Then within 2 days, locality was clean. Children told that it was like Bollywood film with a happy ending. Children enjoyed hearing Gangabai's story, and they wanted to know that the dustbins in their house, is it recommendation of municipal corporation, or is it Gangabai's idea? But Khala started laughing, and she told that it was not their idea, it was um, people's own wish to keep garbage in their house. Uh, it was people's own wish that they will collect garbage in dustbins, and children thanked Khala, and they walked to their home. They were happy to listen about municipal corporation and its work. Children, do you know how municipal corporation or municipality works? From where they get funds or money? So they get funding from different taxes like electricity and water tax, house tax, and even fair are having some taxes. So all these taxes are collected by municipal corporation or municipalities. So all the works are done by money that is collected from different taxes.